second birthday, my baby. I love you so much. Kahit malayo si Mami at wala dyan para i-celebrate yung birthday mo, lagi ka na sa puso ni Mami. I wish you all the best in life, anak, at sa future mo. Kahit malayo si Mami, I know na pinapaliwanag sa'yo ni Nanay at saka ni Daddy na kaya nandito si Mami to work harder and para din sa future mo. Salamat kasi dumating ka sa buhay namin. Very thankful kami kasi you're the most wonderful gift that I ever received in my life. Dahil sa'yo, mas naging matatag at malakas kami ni Daddy. And we promise you, anak, na bibigyan ka namin ng magandang buhay. Sana maging kang isang mabuting tao, God-fearing, mapagmahal sa kapwa, and smart. I love you so much. I miss you, anak. Again, happy second birthday. I love you.